Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Like I said, welcome guys to my channel. I'm obviously at work and I was like, why not vlog? Today's Friday, the last Friday of March. I don't know what that is, 29th. Yes, I'm going to carry you guys along with me for the few next days. Yeah, cause I have a few things planned. So I thought it would be good to vlog. Right now we're on lunch break. Decided to come out from the meeting hall room because my colleague is there and I think she's working. So right now we're on break, like I said, and I ordered food. It's so good because when we have a monthly meeting, I'm laughing because I was about to say monthly. You know when you're bilingual anyway. And I ordered food, and the food is always on the company when we have our monthly meeting, so it's always good. I ordered Chinese, and I couldn't finish it. I'm going to show you guys. I also took like hot chocolate from the work restaurant, but it wasn't good. I didn't finish it. I had to waste it, unfortunately. Also took fruits. So yeah, I still have a lot to eat, but yeah, I'm going to eat that later. For now, I'm just chilling on YouTube until our next meeting, which is at 2, and it's currently like maybe 1:20 or so. So I'll catch you guys later, yeah. Let me show you guys the food. So like I said, I took Chinese, so I didn't finish my rice. And then under here are the fruits. And then under are the pineapple. Yeah. My meetings are basically done for the day. Just chilling a bit here before going to meet my sister because we have to buy some stuff. Well, she's going to do the buying. Just want to meet her so we can go home together. Because some cooking is going to be happening this weekend, but it's a story for later. I'm getting tired. Thank God it's Friday. Come on, go down, man. What a sign. It's the way. It's the way the weather will just affect your mood, man. Why did it start raining? And last week the weather was so nice. It was sunny and stuff. Anyway, obviously, I don't come out from work. I don't even know when this Aurora is leaving. This train is leaving. So let me try and rush. But as I was saying, obviously I don't come out. I'm about to go take the train. I'll catch you guys when I'm inside because man, I don't know why people like staring. Like, it's like, do I have something on my face? Why are people always staring at me? It's actually, I find it irritating. One day I'll be like, yeah, can I help you? Because why are you staring at me? I know say I be fine girl, but yeah. Now waiting for my sister. I'm really tempted to go in this shop and buy a book, a physical book. I do have many physical books, but then I also have like the books that I'm actually interested in are more like soft copies, so they're on my phone. But I'm like, no, I have too many books already, so I'm not going to buy one. Like I said, I'm now waiting for my sister, and while doing that, I'm just going to rant or just you guys, because if you know me personally, you know that I'm very reserved and very introverted. So tomorrow there's an event. My whole family is going there. And I said I'm not going. Tell me why I had to, like, my dad was even like, we have to convince Jenny. I'm like, no, you don't have to convince me. You guys go to your event. My absence is not going to remove anything from the event. Like, You guys, if you want to go there, just go and I'll stay at home. I don't know if being introverted is harder in African families or not, but I just know it's hard in general because people would think like you want to stay on your own, or maybe you're sad, or maybe you're depressed and stuff. And it's not. It's like no, I enjoy my presence. I enjoy my own company. I like doing things alone. I don't necessarily need to be outside, and it's a discussion I've been having with Fanny, my sister, because she's always like, she's even making comments like Jenny is living in, what word does she use? Jenny is living in isolation, yeah. And I'm like, okay, not really, but I've been sending out TikToks and stuff. It's like, I'm very fine. You guys do your thing. You guys enjoy parties and being around people. I mean, I don't dislike being around people, but I also very much like being on my own. So you guys do what you like and let me do what I find joy in. That does not mean I say no to every party and gathering and stuff. But when I say no, I don't understand why it's such a big deal. I've had this conversation with my family last week, Saturday, and today is Friday. Until today, my brother is asking me like, "Why are you not going again?" I'm like, "Do I have to go? Why do I have to justify again myself? Like again, justify and justify. I just don't get it personally. Yeah, Parisian life. It's even my train. Back home, I'm going to. The lighting is off. I'm going to clean the house because tomorrow we're leaving early, and then shower and then help my sister cook most likely, and then prepare what I have to record tomorrow. I don't know. It's me again. Ooh, my teeth look so white. Anyway, have a break, have a Kit Kat. I'm finally taking a break. I mean, I can't take a break for that long because I have to go down and help my sister. But I'm glad I'm done. I don't know why I opened my eyes like this. I'm glad I'm done cleaning and I'm done showering. Now the only thing left is prepare for tomorrow and yeah, cook. I mean, I really like cleaning on Fridays when I know I'm going to have a busy Saturday, instead of keeping everything for Saturday, and in the morning I have to clean, then I have to start preparing for whatever event I have. Like, it's just better. Even though I'm tired, on Saturday I'll just be at peace. At least the cleaning is done. Yeah, so like I said, I'm about to chill for a minute. It's currently past 9:05 or so. So I've been cleaning since I got back around 7. I think I started at around 7:45. So I deserve a break. Anyway, catch you guys in a bit. This is all there is to do. Go without geese dodo, plantain, rice and what? Vegetable soup.
I'm done with you for today. Okay.
Don't touch me. This is my knife now.
Parle français là.
I will speak the language I want to speak. Don't touch me. Oh.
Alors arrête de je me dis que tu touches.
Guys, we're still here.
And I will sing. I will sing holy. Bouge bien, on va prier. Bouge.
It's 7 a.m. en fait. guys. Finally done with the food, guys. It's currently 9 a.m. My parents left with the food. Basically cooking because there is a men's meeting, and so the host, which is my dad, the host will have to usually bring food for those who attend the meeting, since it's a men meeting. Yeah. I'm exhausted, I can't even lie. Woke up 7:15, slept 1:01. But yeah, we still have a long way to go. Look at my new heels, guys. Don't mind my crusty feet, but didn't just you guys. But you guys know, after the rounds yesterday, guess what? I'm actually going to the event. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys I'm glad I slayed this look. I mean, you guys, I know. I hope you guys see the vision from here. I'm going to slay this look. It's a given. I mean, I'm a retired hairdresser, so I know these things. Anyway, I'm going to make up in the car because it's currently 10:25 and we're leaving in 5 minutes. I also need to take my outfits because we're recording, and yeah, basically going to make up in the car. Guys, it's not easy to make up in the car. I'm trying to do my best, and I'll catch you guys when I'm done. Got to the destination, guys. I still have to fix my hair and makeup. I'm having a headache. I don't know why, but I usually get car sick, so it's not really surprising. But anyway, I'll catch you guys once I fix 1 or 2, and then I'll start recording because we don't have much time. It's currently 12:30 and we want to leave here by 2, knowing that our recording takes 10 minutes each, and we have either 5 or 6. I have 6, but I'm not going to be able to record 6 lessons today because of time. Anyway, loving the look. I asked Bae these glasses are the other ones. He said the other one, so I might change my glasses. Basically done now. Or almost.
Transformé, Seigneur, dans ta présence au nom de Jésus. Père éternel, nous te glorifions. Merci pour ce moment, merci pour ce privilège.
Là, c'est 14h30. Allez, on essaie de finir en 4. T'en fais. Moi, si c'est pas.
Avril, pour une nouvelle leçon des cieux ouverts qui a pour thème Ouin contre Ouin. Avant de commencer, nous allons prier. Père éternel, nous voulons te dire merci. Merci parce que tu es bon. Merci parce que tu nous as. Time to eat before we head to the wedding. Yeah. 14h20. Ah oui, j'ai dit je peux faire un autre
Non,
alors.
on va pas faire 10 000, hein, on va pas faire. Faites pour cette semaine, la semaine prochaine, ce que vous allez faire pour la semaine prochaine, faites-le.
Ok, boss.
We ask for
We
repent. L'homme du feu, comme on dit, ils ont reçu des hommes du feu. Donc ils ont besoin que c'est pas quelque chose que nous pouvons faire en nous. Nous pouvons le désirer, c'est fait. Mais il faut justement la puissance du Saint-Esprit.
Oh, 666
Tout. Ah bon? Ah, il y a
Well, good guys. The bride to be. The bride to be.
I was in my makeup, maybe it was going all right. But I had to go and put my eyeliner. I was not cleaning. So if you look here, it's dark. I'm not deep to get.
Au début, ça va être compliqué.
Dearly beloved, we gathered here today before God and His people to join Benjamin, Ayemidara Yelowo, and Olanike, Sekinat Awuti Debe in holy matrimony. Marriage is an honorable. Beautiful sisters in France. Beautiful. And they are not only beautiful, they are also godly. Yes! Now we want to dance. Living God, oh, even the devil knows. Say not true. We serve a living God, oh, everybody knows. Say now you the rainbow. Come on, dance with your children. What shall we do today?
Was having afro hair. But today there is no more.
Say hi to my vlog. Say hi, say hi.
Why are you taking a picture? Take one, right? Where?
I'm feeling good.
And it's let's do.
Please compliment me.
Happy birthday to
Hey, snap me, snap me, send them to your friends. Or tell your friends, say, I listen you.
I'm not going to say Igbo, Yoruba, anything tonight. It's all love tonight. I'm not going to start any bigotry tonight. I said I just
Hey guys, this is the following day. Today is Sunday, the 30th, 31st, I think. Yes, and preparing to go to church. It's currently, the time is not correct here. Anyway, it should be past 7. And yesterday I showed you guys food that I ended up not even eating because at that point it was past 8, maybe, yeah, past 8. And yeah, I was just tired at this point. I was not hungry anymore. And shortly after I left to go back home, so I ended up not eating the food to leave. But anyway, it was a beautiful wedding regardless, and the hall was really nice, and I wish the couple the best. Kinda looking forward to my day. But anyway, when we get to the bridge, we'll cross it here. I'll catch you guys once my makeup is done, and I'll show you guys my outfit, which is going to be really simple today because still tired. Then clothes, and then basically all black with a turtleneck and a blazer. Hello guys, the service is over. The testimonies are crazy. God is so good. My church is literally a miracle center, as my dad said when he preached. But anyway, I'll catch you guys later. I don't think I'm doing anything today aside going home to rest because I'm tired and I'm hungry right now. I'm hungry. I'm exhausted. Currently waiting for my parents so we could drive home. The weather is really nice today. I don't know what I'm doing this week. Okay, I'm still vlogging. This week I'm going to a client. Tomorrow is public holiday. Thank you, Jesus, for being risen on the 3rd day. Tomorrow is public holiday, so no work. And then this week is a long one because I'll be going to the agency and then going to a client on Thursday and Wednesday and Thursday. But until then, right now, I'm thirsty and hungry. I said that a minute ago, I mean in the last clip, and I still haven't found food. Looking forward to being home and eating. Hope you guys had a great Sunday. And happy Easter. When you see this, know that I film on an Easter day, so happy Easter. I don't know how many minutes later and I'm still here. I had to ask someone to bring me plantain chips. They are sugary and I like the salty ones. But I'm managing because at this moment I'm having headache. And I'm tired and hungry. As I said, this is a vibe. Car interviews, what do we think about them? Like I'll be sitting here, or even like chit chat. I can be doing them in this car. I like the lighting. Yeah, it's nice. Anyway. Hey guys, today is the next day. It's Monday the 1st of April, so happy new month guys. It's currently what time? 3:32 and it's been a productive day so far. Like I said, I think in the last clips, today is a public holiday, so I'm not working, but it's been a productive day so far. I was able to edit pictures taken yesterday in church. Also had a therapy session with Bay. That's something we do monthly. And working. and rested. So yeah, I think for this afternoon I'm just going to edit a vlog and just continue chilling basically, because like I mentioned, this week is going to be hectic. Not so hectic by the grace of God. I mean, God is going to strengthen me, right? But then I'll be going out from tomorrow till Friday, which I don't really do because I mostly work from home. So taking this opportunity, this holiday, to rest. Well, again, I was able to post on our church Instagram. And yeah, right now I'm looking for tickets for my sister and I trip this summer by the grace of God. And yeah, I'll just you guys about that when the time is right. So that's it for me, guys. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Guys, I just finished eating. My skin is giving. Anyway, I just finished eating rice. Actually the food that we cooked the other day, because some was remaining. Rice, plantain, vegetable soup, and gizzard. And Fanny put on the TV. What was it? April Showers on Prime Video, something like that. The Nigerian movies are really nice on Prime Video. Anyway, right now I'm trying to prepare my class. Adulthood is like always showing up, even when you don't feel like, because I don't feel like teaching anymore, to be honest. But because I started, I'm just going to continue to show up. And the times I really can, then I'm going to tell the students that this class is coming. Hopefully this week is better, and hopefully in this month of April we all get what we couldn't get in January, February, March. Amen to that. I still believe, but it's hard having faith when nothing, like you don't see the light at the end of the tunnel. What you get? Do you guys get me? Anyway, let me prepare this class. Can you see my screen? Okay, so last time we looked at C clauses and we weren't done, so we're going to continue from there. Just got to work, guys, and what do I want to say? I don't even know. Anyway, I showed you guys my outfit in the previous clip. I'm really feeling my outfit, but anyways, let me get to work. I think I will take a breakfast before then, because I didn't really eat. It was too early for me to eat, and I wasn't particularly hungry. But now that I'm here, let me see if I can take a hot chocolate and eat the snacks that I brought, or maybe not, because I'm not that hungry. Anyway, catch you guys in a bit. Be like, say today could be a chill day, because what I was supposed to do is cancelled. But let's see how it goes. Let's go and take my hot chocolate. While walking, I hate when I'm back in the lights. Why are now let me not even blame the position of the desk. Anyway, while walking, I'm going to watch Married at First Sight, France. I'm saying France because I know there's the Australia version, but unfortunately, yes, it's unfortunate to me, because everyone who knows me knows that I love shows like that, like Love is Blind, Married at First Sight. Love it. So while working, I'm going to watch that, Married at First Sight, and yeah, looking forward to lunch. usually don't finish my food over there in the restaurant, so I come to my desk and finish here usually. Normally I eat my fruits later on, but today I'm eating everything now. Tomorrow I finished watching what was it? Married at First Sight, and it's just like, I understand each of us have their struggle and stuff, but like, why'd you go on a show like this? You do the test and stuff, and then last minute you're like, nah, I don't think I can do it. I mean, like I said, let me not even talk like that, because it's actually okay to have doubt, but like when persistent doubt, like, yeah, you sound like clearly mentally you're not ready. It's okay to have insecurities and to have doubt, like I said, but like when it's persistent that you constantly need reassurance for something you applied for, that's when I'm like. But anyway, some couples are doing well so far. Looking forward to the rest. Now I don't know what to watch. I guess I will go on YouTube and continue working simultaneously so I can go back home early. Going to get my monthly supply. It's not even a good thing to say. I'm praying to God for healing, because man, can't be going to the pharmacy back to back. Bonjour. Je vais regarder de la vitamine B12 s'il vous plaît. That's done. My train to go home is in the next 30 minutes. So I feel thirsty. I feel like drinking apple juice. So guess what I'm going to get? Apple juice. I shouldn't be drinking sugary things, especially because I've already drank juice. But then that week's like that. This is exactly what I'm looking for. The thing is, this small can is 33 centiliters and it's €1.40, when there is a big bottle here that is 1 liter and it's $1.50. But I really want this one though. I'm going to take this one, else I'll regret it. See, you have this that is 150 and this is 140 and it's 33, and this is 1. Guys, I'm smiling so hard internally because I love an intentional man. So basically I decided to leave WhatsApp because a lot of my stress and feeling of being overwhelmed comes from there, because I have a lot of responsibilities there. And of course I didn't just leave my responsibilities. I actually told the people who to call or refer to in my absence. Anyway, that's beside the point. So I left WhatsApp, and that's also the social media platform I use most with Bay. And as intentional as he is, he decided to use Google Meet. So he's been calling me on Google Meet, and we even used his email box drafts. We could, to communicate and stuff. So the point is, it's just so intentional, and I love it. Because man can't do without me. Let's say that. When he sees this, he's going to come for me. But anyway, yeah, just had that to say. Anyway, almost getting home, guys. I don't think I'll do anything tonight. Tomorrow I'm going out again, and next tomorrow. So just going to chill and prepare my mind for that, and my clothes, of course. Hey guys, got to work. I went to the client and just waiting for my colleague because I don't really know this place and she knows it. I used the opportunity of me getting here early to buy lunch because the weather is really bad and I'm not trying to walk during lunch break to go to the bakery. To be fair, it's actually just here, but I'd rather just have everything with me because I'm cold and like I said, it's raining, so yeah. During lunch break, I will just chill here. The first part of the training is done. I have to try away this bottle. I took some French breakfast. Like I took a sandwich, tender sandwich. I took I don't know how to describe that, but it's basically bread with chocolate. It's so nice. And I took the drink I took yesterday because I love it. So now we're going to eat and chill in front of a YouTube show. I really like, I don't know if you guys know Mado Africa. It's a YouTube channel where they go on dates and they're separated by a curtain so they can't see themselves until the end. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Guys, my day is over and I'm exhausted. I didn't even finish the food I brought. I mean, I didn't finish like the small snack and stuff. I didn't even eat them at all. Anyway, currently waiting for my colleague who is going to drop me at the station, and then I have a metro to take and then my train going home. But then having to came out. I hope you get the bus. But then what do I want to say? Came out Tuesday, came out today, coming out tomorrow, going out on Friday as well, but not for work. Hopefully. It's getting me tired, man, and that's when I realized I really don't want to be having a job that makes me go out this much. People used to say, oh, I'd be applying like at my job and stuff, and I couldn't relate, but now I'm relating. Anyway, what was I saying? Yes, I just want to be doing a work that doesn't require me to go out, that doesn't require me to. I like talking with people, so that's fine. But like, let me just work on documents and sit at home. I'll be fine like that. Anyway, it's really windy, so I hope you guys can hear me. Look, she's coming. That guy is cute. I can't show you guys, but yeah. Let me get inside and quickly rush to my station so I can be home before 7, because tonight I have a class that I don't want to cancel. Yeah, guys, I'm getting home now. This is actually the end of the vlog because tomorrow I'm going to the same client, so there's nothing really to show because I don't film during the day. And yeah, can't wait to get home because in a few minutes, by the grace of God, because there is pancakes, so can't wait to eat. Anyway, and then my class, and then chill, shower, watch something, sleep. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. In my next vlog, I shouldn't be in France, by the grace of God. Let's see where I go. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.